Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2018 Chevy Volt LT. For the month of May, Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers the option between 18% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $1,000 on all 2018 Chevy Volts. This vehicle has 17 by 7 inch wheels. And as you can see, there is a spot for gas. And then when it comes for the electric charge, that's at the front of your vehicle. When we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have heated seating, a Chevy MyLink radio, a heated steering wheel, and even our cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.